How to redeem Delta ECredit. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up a web browser and now on the search bar, search for delta.com. Then you want to click on book. On this page, you're going to find the option of use certificates, e-credits, or Delta gift card option. So click on this. Now scroll down a bit and you're going to find certificate or e-credit number option here. So click on this drop down menu and you want to search by type. So as you can see, there are 4 different types. You can select any one of them and look up your certificates or gift cards. Then you want to enter your gift card number. Here you want to enter your PIN or registration code. Then click on the continue option. Once you have done that, then click on the continue button. After this, you will have to follow some more process for verification, and from here you can redeem your Delta ECredit. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.